basically major issues on the Google Ad. Most of the people reach the website and click on the website, but I didn't get any email or any call.
Okay. So how long, how long you are running the ads? May I know?
Yeah, we are running the ad before like the 3 months ago.
3 months ago. Okay. I already
Yeah.
got your website, and you have like two website right now, right?
hmm
Okay.
Yeah, basically, Al Hada Travel and the Bag Travels.
Okay. So you are running ads for both website or anything, any specific website?
Both sides.
Both
Both
website.
sides.
And
Yeah.
your ad account was same or different?
No, same. One account is MCC account, okay, with the Bag Travels, and the other is like Al Hada Travels.
Okay. That's when
But
you
the
already
main,
know the, yeah.
yeah,
That's when you already good enough knowledge about it, like what exactly like doing the paid ads and all, right? Okay. Okay. Okay.
yeah.
So your problem is you don't get you don't acquire your targeted client or customers, right? So that is
Yeah,
your main problem at that time.
yeah,
Okay. So
yes.
if you want to solve this problem, and if you want to dispute, I mean you want to resolve this dispute. So
Mm-hmm.
that is the one, at that point I just request to you, like give me the like a working access so that I can make a audit report, right? You have to
Mm-hmm.
know, you have to think about it, like whenever you are going to run your ads, your targeted audience, they are really really interested to click your ads, and they are dropping out to your landing page. That's enough, and that's the
Yeah.
general process, and
Mm-hmm.
it's happening day by day, month by month. But you are not able to
Yeah.
getting the good quality of, like you are not able to convert them. That's the main thing.
Yeah.
So that's why we
Yeah.
need
That
to
means.
figure out the exact problem throughout the
Mm-hmm.
tracking process. You already integrated to your ad section with the analytics and all that, say, and all that things you already done or not, like conversion tracking. I can also look, but for the making for making the audit report as a digital
Mm-hmm.
marketer, you need to figure out one by one. So it takes
Mm-hmm.
1 day or 2 day maybe,
Mm-hmm.
because you already running the ads and you haven't in your backend section you have lots of audience data, right? So you need
Mm-hmm.
to figure
Yeah.
out how how can we impress them, how can we convert them. So that's why as a digital marketer, as an expert, I need to figure out step by step. So that's why it's
Yeah.
quietly time framing situation, right? So
Mm-hmm.
that's why I want to request to you, give me the working access. After checking that, I will make an audit report, and I will make the strategy so that you can easily grab your market, other
Yeah.
as
Mm-hmm.
your competitors, they are also doing the marketing.
Mm-hmm.
So that's why. So
Yeah.
that is the thing. And yes, of course we can resolve it, and you will happy, no problem. And at
Inshallah.
that time you can
Yeah.
also share your screen, and I just look at your Google ads.
Hmm.
Okay.
Yeah, basically, we are putting the like the keywords over the Google ad.
Hmm.
Okay, I have the keywords, most of the keywords, but there are most of the people searching on the from a website
Hmm.
like the Umrah package ticket and Umrah package 2024 Umrah package, October Umrah package, summer Umrah package.
Hmm.
Okay, each month. Okay,
Hmm.
but let me send you the a report, like the keyword report over
Hmm.
here
Hmm.
on it. Just give me a moment.
Yeah, you can also share your screen so that I can little bit check about it, right?
Yeah,
Yeah.
just let me send
And
you.
may I know one thing, you are an individual person who are continuously managing your ads, you are managing your ads, and anything like manager you
No,
have?
no, no, any other person.
Any other person? Okay. Okay.
Just do not recommend them.
Okay. And your daily budget at that time, I mean currently?
Uh, one £100 and to £150.
Okay. That's good.
Okay, but we are getting the CPC 2.70 and 2.80, but it's not too much good for me.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Where I send you? Please send me the text. I am sending you the keyboards over here on
Okay.
it. Let me the text.
Okay.
Yeah, on WhatsApp.
Okay. You just give your keyword and all.
Let me send. Do you have any keywords regarding the Umbra back back this?
Yeah, we can research on that.
Do you have?
And you are running business like UK and all.
Yeah, UK. Only UK. The
Okay.
Pakistan,
May I know?
Dubai.
May I know your business backend? Like backend means like, let's say I'm your targeted traffic. Okay, so I just saw your
Mm-hmm.
ads, and I'm just going to like click, and I already enter your landing page. Then I'm just giving you the
Mm-hmm.
data. Okay, so
Mm-hmm.
after that, how you can manage me to getting your, I
Mm-hmm.
mean to receiving, I mean to providing your service. So what the
Mm-hmm.
method you are following right now currently?